Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we are looking at this guy right here, positioning squares. These are great for making perfect 90-degree angles. Let's take a quick look what we've got in the box. So, we have got 4 of each of these. For the medium, for the smalls, and for the larges. You might be wondering what we use these for. Well, making 90-degree angles. So let's say you have a couple of boards here and you're trying to attach them together to make a 90-degree angle, and you're not sure, like, is this board, is this wobbly? Is this 90 degrees? What is this? A quick, simple use. Just attach it in like that. Push it flush there. You've got your 90. And you attach it. I'm going to pre-drill this. Make it a little bit easier on me. I'm just keeping it nice and flush in there. Making sure to let's see. Well, it kind of looks like I moved it a little bit as I went. It's not quite perfect, but I would say that, I mean, that is a pretty good 90-degree angle. I mean, if you look at that, it's pretty solid. That's there. But anyways, there you have it. The Wetols positioning square. It's great. Awesome. Thanks for watching. See you next time.